Hey, this is Daniel Margasa here at Sixx Gun Music in Las Vegas, Nevada. We have just finished another Build Your Own Guitar Workshop. Today we had special guest Michael DeArmond come out from Los Angeles and his shop in Lake Arrowhead to custom wind some pickups, just like in this guitar I'm playing right here. This is a custom build. One of our customers just did over here, very custom. And we've got Mike's pickups in here. We've got a bridge, Tele style, and obviously a neck, Tele style, all custom wired with Barnes pots and PIO caps. So if you guys want some more custom stuff by Daniel Margasa, Sixx Gun, and Michael DeArmond, come on down and check it out.